Two-way LCD large screen controller. First, open the battery box and install the battery. Install the connector on the faucet. Install the controller onto the connector. We programmed the controller to water. First, press the manual off key to set the current time, and press the OK key to finish. Automatically enter the watering start time. Press the OK button to end. Automatically enter the setting of how long to pour. Press the OK key to end. Automatically enter the interval setting. Press the OK key to end. The controller can be set up through groups of programs. Press the add or subtract key to modify the program. Press the channel switch key to switch channels. Press the manual button to start the temporary irrigation mode. The default irrigation time is 2 minutes. The two-way LCD large screen controller can control 2 different watering areas to achieve more flexible watering irrigation. 2-channel LCD large screen controller with drip spray dual-use integrated sprinkler set. Drip and spray dual integrated nozzle individual water column water can adjust the drip mode. Gently turn the cap. Size spray adjustment.